Hey guys, Diana here from strategicfinances.net, helping stay-at-home mompreneurs increase their cash flow and create better financial strategies. In today's video, I just wanted to show you how you can fill out your W-4 if you are married but you file separately. So let's get right into it. You're just going to go to the irs.gov website and you're going to search for calculator. And their estimator is going to pull up, or you can search for estimator. It's going to pull up and you're going to be able to fill it out. So just have your check stub for you and your spouse. Well, I'm sorry. It would just be for you because you are married but you're filing separate. So it's just all your information. So just get out your check stub and then go through this information. So we're just going to use this example. So, okay, you're married but you're just filing separate. Now, I'm going to assume that they do not have kids. I was doing this on request, actually, this video. So I'm going to do it for someone who does not have kids. But if you have kids, then you just fill out this information accordingly. But in this example, I'm just going to say that they do not have kids. They're just married and they're filing separate. So, alright, so about you. See how easy it is? 1 through 6 and you're done. You get your results. You can turn in your W-4 to your HR department. So let's just go through this quickly. So, what filing status will you use for the return? Married, filing separately. May another taxpayer claim you as a dependent on their tax return? I'm going to put no. I'm just going to put no in this example. Do you plan to claim dependents on your tax return? I'm going to put no. In this example, they don't have children. Do you or will you hold a job this year with paychecks from which federal income tax is regularly withheld? Yes. How many jobs do you expect to hold this year? I'm going to say 1. Pension. So will you receive income from a pension this year? I'm going to click no. Check all that apply to you. Other sources of income and tax payments. None of these apply to me in this example. Okay, so I'm going to click next. But if it does apply to you, click what applies to you. So your job. Do you expect to hold this job the entire year? Yes. How frequently are you paid? Every 2 weeks. On what date was your most recent pay period? Okay, on what date did your most recent pay period end? I'm going to put Friday the 6th. Enter the total wages you expect to receive this year. I'm going to put $49,000. Okay, I'm going to assume in this example, this person will not receive any bonuses. So using your last pay statement, enter the federal income taxes withheld. So year to date, let's say that it was $3,000. And then per pay period, we're going to say that it was, let me see, I'm going to put $650. Or I'm going to put $700. Huh? Per pay period. Let's put $350. Uh-oh. Judah? Okay, so did you or will you contribute to a tax-deferred retirement plan? I'm going to put no in this example. But of course, if you will, put yeah. So did you or will you contribute to an HSA, FSA, pre-tax childcare? And y'all, don't sleep on this HSA. I'm not sure about the FSA. It's a little bit different. But the HSA, Health Savings Account, I got a tip for you. If you want to know, inbox me the tip. So we're going to say no in this example. And then you click next. And then, so it's asking. So do you want to go to the next step without including adjustments, or would you like to see possible adjustments? I'm going to go to the next step, but if you want to see the adjustments, you can. I want this video to be short. I want to show you how easy this is. So deductions from home. So you qualify for a standard deduction of $12,550. Deductions reduce the amount of your income subject to income tax. Most taxpayers take the standard deduction. Would you like to take the standard deduction or itemize your deductions? I'll take the standard deductions, but if you want to itemize, you can do that. Tax credits. Tax credits are amounts you subtract directly from your tax obligation. Would you like to learn more about tax credits you may be eligible for or get your results without tax credits? I want to get my results without tax credits, but if you want to see the tax credits, you can. So here's the results. So if you do not change your withholding, you are likely to get a refund. So expected tax withholding $6,500, anticipated tax obligation $4,178. So, and they've got half of that gone already, this person. So, you know, they're not going to overpay if they adjust this. And let me show you how. So right now, the estimated overpayment, they even tell you it's an overpayment, your refund that you get, $2,322. Now, go through this, read all the little, notes and everything, understand, be familiar. So if you're happy, take your refund. You know you're on track. But if you're not, let's say you have, so what are we trying to do here? What are your financial goals? Okay. Take care of those with this money that you can get. Now you're going to get an extra over $2,000 for the rest of the year. That's just in let's just say 6 months, for example's sake. Because right now when I'm making this video, there's about 5 more months left in the year. So let's just say if you get that, that's 2,000. Let's just say for number's sake, 2,000 divided by 5 is, drum roll, 2,000 divided by 5 is $400 a month you could get right now. Build up your emergency fund to like $1,000 to $3,000 depending on your situation, and put it all in that ally account. I did another video on how to make that savings stretch. So you have to have, let's just say $1,000 saved. Let's just say 3,000. Come on, we got inflation, y'all. Things cost more. So $3,000. Okay. How fast can you save that up using this extra $400 a month that you have coming in now? Okay, because of this. But the thing is, you filled out your form correctly. So now what you do is you can print off these results, take it into your HR department. And so, yep, there you go. So it says here, 161 per paycheck. So you do the math. So it's around, a little less than $400 a month. But just imagine, right? Just imagine what your numbers are. And so you can print that off and turn this into your HR department. Or also, I don't see it here, but you can, it'll fill out the form for you. Right. You can print out the filled out form. It's crazy. It's awesome. The IRS made it easier for you. So that's what I got for you today. Download my free 8-step game plan to increase your cash flow. Click the link below. It's free. Download it. You need to follow this. This is how you can take this video further. Just trust me, okay? Click the link below if you want to build some wealth, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.